I kneel by the river where whispers call my name. The trees bow low as if feeling the same. The wind is alive, it cuts through the air. Nature's voice speaks louder than despair. The skies cry, black cracks tear the sound. Lightning dances as it burns the ground. Thunder shouts my plea into the sky. A storm awoke when I prayed on high. Raindrops fall like tears from the trees. Each drop hums deep with sacred pleas. Mountains shiver, their strength they share. I feel the wild power surging everywhere. The skies cry, black cracks tear the sound. Lightning dances as it burns the ground. Thunder shouts my plea into the sky. A storm awoke when I prayed on high. The earth beneath trembles to my song. Fierce and faultless where I belong. Every flash and roar claims my devotion. In tempest cradle I find emotion. The skies cry, black cracks tear the sound. Lightning dances as it burns the ground. Thunder shouts my plea into the sky. A storm